Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up your Wise business account step by step. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or running an international company, this guide will help you get started quickly and easily. Let's begin. When you first sign up for a Wise business account, Wise will ask you a few questions about your business activities, where you operate, who owns the business, and how you plan to use Wise. This information helps Wise make sure your business qualifies for an account. Now, it's important to know that Wise can't support some industries, for example, crypto businesses, alcohol or gambling-related companies. For the full list of restricted business types, you can always check Wise's acceptable use policy on their website. Next, you'll need to provide your business registration details. These usually come from your country's national or state registry. Along with that, Wise will ask for a few other details, including a brief description of your business and your business website. If you have one, the more accurate and detailed the information you provide, the faster Wise can process your application. If anything is missing or unclear, it could cause delays. So take a moment to double-check before submitting. Now let's talk about identity verification. If you already have a personal Wise account, you're in luck. You won't need to go through the identity process again. But if you're new to Wise, you'll be asked to upload a valid ID and complete a live face capture using your smartphone or computer camera. This helps Wise confirm your identity and keep your account secure. In addition, Wise also needs to verify the business owners and shareholders. So if your company has directors or shareholders who own 25% or more, they'll also need to complete the verification process. Depending on your country, Wise might ask for extra documents to confirm their ownership or connection to the business. Since Wise operates in over 40 currencies, some countries may require additional paperwork. Having these documents ready will make the setup process much smoother. Once you've submitted everything and paid the one-time setup fee, Wise will begin reviewing your application. This usually takes up to 2 working days, but sometimes it can be even faster. During the review, Wise will keep you updated through email, push notifications, and directly in the Wise app. If they need anything else, they'll reach out right away. And that's it. Your Wise business account will be ready to go. Once approved, you can start sending, receiving, and managing money globally with low fees and great exchange rates. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.